Hi team, today we are going to discuss about the CIS Data Foundation exam series with practice questions. Mostly 40 to 50% of questions will be repeated in this question, but our motto is not by heart with that questions. I will explain the concepts of questions with the PDA exposure, personal developer instance navigation. So we can easily memorize and it can be useful in the examination. Even the question will be changed or even the concept will be changed, but the logic is same. Let's start. The question is here, when integrating data into the CMDB using import sets and transform maps, which type of script is added to ensure the data is processed through the IRE? So option A on complete, option B on after, option C on start, option D on before. The exact answer is on before option is correct. Because on before script run before the CA records is inserted or updated in the CMDB. It allows the data to be sent to the identification and reconciliation engine. IRE checks for existing CAs and prevent duplicates. So what's the meaning of IRE is and IRE plays an important role in the CMDB at the same time in discovery. So in the ITOM, IRE plays an important play role. IRE means identification and reconciliation engine. Identification means it will identify the duplicate CAs. Reconciliation is the which source we have to trust. That's the concept of reconciliation. So combination of identification and reconciliation will give to the best CAs and best healthy CAs to prevent the duplicates to store the correct CMDB information. So that concept is on before. We are using on before. Next question is, a CMDB admin wants to remove all Linux servers in the organization that have not been updated in 6 months. Which recommended action does the admin take to data manager? So a CMDB admin wants to remove all Linux servers. So they need to remove the all Linux servers. So there is a separate procedure is there for removing servers or any applications. So we need to follow that procedure. Here the options is there. Option A, create an archive policy. Option B, create a business rule. Option C, create a schedule job. So for the removing Linux servers, we need to maintain the proper archive policy. So create an archive policy is the correct answer. Next one. A configuration manager wants to use the unified map. Where would be it accessed? Option A, CMDB data manager. Option B, CA class manager. Option C, CMDB workspace. The correct answer is CMDB workspace. So why CMDB workspace is correct, I will show. Here the question is, a configuration manager wants to use the unified map. So where the unified map is there, we need to prove the CMDB workspace. So go to the personal developer instance. Here type the CMDB workspace. CMDB workspace. Here unified map is there. So the correct answer is CMDB works under CMDB workspace, unified map is there. Here we need to create. System is slow, I think. If somebody having these options will be not visible, so we need to install the plugins for the CMDB and for the ITOM for discovery, event management, and service mapping plugins. We need to install in the under plugins option. Here plugins option is there separately. Plugins here, click on plugins. We need to install that CMDB workspace plugin and the discovery plugin, event management, and service mapping plugin. We need to install to practice and to find these modules. We need to install the plugins. That's about this question. The next question is, so one more time I'm checking. A configuration manager wants to use the unified map. Where would it be accessed? It will be accessed in the CMDB workspace. I already explained with that demo. See, under CMDB workspace, the unified map is there. CMDB workspace. So unified map will be located under the CMDB workspace. Next question. A CMDB manager wants to improve data quality using CMDB health dashboard. What needs to happen to generate CMDB health scores? So the question is related to the CMDB health dashboard. And please remember my words. Mostly 30 to 40 questions 30 to 40% of questions will rise from the CMDB health dashboard in the CMDB. That much importance are there. And even interview purpose also, it's a very important topic, CMDB health dashboard. Because of the CMDB health dashboard only, we can maintain this proper accurate data with proper up-to-date data. We need to update in the CMDB by applying the CMDB health dashboard. The question is, a CMDB manager wants to improve data quality using CMDB health dashboard. What needs to happen to generate CMDB health scores? Option A, nothing. CMDB health scores are calculated by default. Option B, the plugin CMDB health calculation needs to be installed. Option C, scheduled jobs for the CMDB health dashboard must be activated. The exact answer is option C. Through running of scheduled job only, the CMDB health dashboard will activate. I will explain that. I will enter the CMDB health dashboard. If you found the CMDB health dashboard is not appear for you, it's the reason of you need to install the CMDB plugins. CMDB health dashboard. So here three views are there: class view, service view, health group view. So any view can open. So I am opening the class view. So it having the completeness, correctness, and compliances. So these will run by the proper scheduled jobs only. So enter the scheduled jobs. Under system definition, scheduled jobs are there. Here we need to daily run the scheduled jobs. Then only CMDB as the dashboard will be activate. Compliance, correctness, completeness, correctness, compliance. For example, I am opening the completeness. Then execute now. Then automatically CMDB health dashboard will be updated. So it's completeness 99. So based on that, we can do scheduled jobs and we can run with the scheduled jobs. We can maintain the proper CMDB health dashboard healthy. Next question. So the correct answer is scheduled jobs. Next question. An organization is changing data centers and needs to know the consequences of the plan changes. How can application service mapping be used as part of the change management? So the main concept of service mapping is to prevent the production impacted or business units impacted. The main concept is to minimize the impact of business. That is the service mapping concept. So here option is option A, to understand the business impact of CS. Option B, to identify which devices will be go offline first. Option C, to understand the physical location of CS. The correct answer is option A, to understand the business impact of CS. So question I am once again I am repeating. An organization is changing data centers and needs to know the consequences of the plan changes. How can application service mapping be visited as part of the change management? So option A is to understand the business impact of CIS. The correct answer. Next question. Where can CMDB 360 multi-source CMDB saved query be viewed and created in the CMDB workspace? Option A, saved queries window on the Insights tab. Option B, coverage window on the CMDB 360. Option C, saved queries window on the CMDB 360 tab. Option D, CMDB query builder. The exact answer is saved queries windows on the CMDB 360 tab. Here, saved queries. CMDB 360 tab. Then only we can understand the question and understand the logic. Here, one more time, I am repeating. Where can I CMDB 360 or multi-source CMDB saved query be viewed and created in the CMDB workspace? The correct answer is saved queries window on the CMDB 360. Saved queries window in the CMDB 360. This is the correct answer. Next question. A CMDB configuration manager is reviewing the metrics on the CMDB health dashboards. Correctness scorecard for the server class, which consists of total 60,000 servers in the CMDB. For the duplicate metric, it shows healthy CAs are evaluated as 59,000 by 60,000. For the orphan metric, it shows a healthy CAs evaluated as 45,000, 50,000. Which configuration explains the difference in the scope of server CAs? 60,000 versus 50,000 evaluated between the two metrics. So here option is a duplicate matrix has health inclusion rule configured for the server class. Option B, the alpha metric has CMDB group configured for the server class. Option C, the duplicate metric has a CMDB group configured for the server class. Option D, the alpha metric has a health inclusion rule configured for the server class. The exact answer is option D, the alpha metric has a health inclusion rule configured for the server class. Eighth question. A CMDB admin wants to run the service have ONE's identified playbook to remediate these issues shown in the CMDB Data Foundation's dashboard. Which remediation playbooks should be used? Option A, fixed data. Option B, report data. Option C, analyze data. Option D, governor data. The exact answer is option A, fixed data, and option C, analyze data. So we need to go through this once demo. Here, a CMDB admin wants to run the services have ONE's identified playbook to remediate the issues shown in the CMDB Data Foundation dashboard. So we need to go to the CMDB Data Foundation dashboard. So search the CMDB Data Foundation dashboard. Here under configuration, CMDB Data Foundation dashboard is there. Here remediation playbook is there. Playbook URL is there. The answer is here fixed data and analyze data. Next question. A configuration management needs to ensure data quality for all CAs in the CMDB. What areas of data quality for CAs are in the CMDB as dashboard? Option A, updated CS. Option B, downgraded CS. Option C, stale CS. Option D, missing CS. Option E, duplicate CS. The correct answer is option C, stale CS, and option E, duplicate CS. I will show you the explanation. So we go to the CMDB health dashboard. So here I'm searching with the class view. So CMDB health dashboard having the completeness and correctness and compliance. So for completeness, we have the duplicate CS, orphan CS, stale CS, and correctness it's showing the sorry for completeness. We need to fill the all details in the required attributes. For correctness is there we having the duplicate CS, orphan CS, and stale CS. The exact answer is here stale CS and duplicate CS. Stale CS, duplicate CS. Last question. A CMDB admin wants to only the CAs of a principal class to appear in the CA reference fields. For example, the CA reference field accessible from an incident form. Where does the CMDB admin designate principal classes? Option A, CA class manager. Option B, CMDB workspace. Option C, system properties. Option D, CMDB data manager. The correct answer is option A, CA class manager. I will show with the explain. CA class manager. Here under class question, under configuration, CA class manager option is there. Here, open hierarchy will come here. System is slow. Here, CA class manager is there. We can open it to open a hierarchy. Then here classes are there. These are the subclasses are there also there. For example, computer is the main class. Computer room is these are the subclasses. So this way we can answer very easy by navigating and practice only. We can answer easy questions. If we by heart means there is no use. So we need to thoroughly learn CMDB. Then only we can pass that exam. Exam also is not very easy. So it's a concept oriented and real time oriented. So, and one more thing, the free examination voucher will end in the June last week. So be hurry up, guys. Please try to at least register the exam. We can attempt next 3 months also, no problem. But we need to register that exam details. It's completely free of cost only. Thank you, guys. Wish you all the best.